All right, guys. What's good? How you are doing? The boy with forest right here. Okay, so real quick, I just wanna go over this that they analyze the chart for you guys to see okay how good is performing. So so far good at developing. So this it was the best of April or the second of April, right? So you all can see how price is moving, right? That's making a kind of range around this level. So I'm not gonna lie, I took multiple, but I mean multiple several losses on this particular range. So sometimes this is the lesson, right? And the lesson is part of the game. So this range has really dealt with me during this period of time, okay, of range of consolidation. So yeah, because I've been trying to buy, the price kept on dropping. So as you all can see, I've already marked out the zones, the key levels, or the support or resistance, whatever you call it. Okay. So here we can see, let me go to daily time frame, weekly time frame, as is still bullish, like very, sorry, price is very bearish, massive impulsive counters. You guys can see it's very long, bearish candlestick here. So which indicates that price is strongly bearish. And I think and I see that price is likely gonna drop a little more. So we have these zones. Okay. Have have the zone, have the zones that are points of interest for us to see what is happening. So this on the weekly time, we can see like we have a very strong inverse there. It's just a shooting star candlestick. Yeah. Then we go to the daily, we are seeing this inverse candlestick. Now we go back to daily still bearish, right? We go over to this 4 hours. Price is still bearish, right? So at this point now, the sellers are still very active in the market, trying to buy here. Yeah, yesterday I bought, you know, price came back to me out. All right, even I tried to buy, the price took me out again. A lot of people will say, I don't know how to trade. Why did you take this? Why did you not see? This is market, okay? You cannot be right all the time. There'll be a point when you take losses too. So I'm just here to just analyze what I am seeing on gold. Okay, and again, we have NFP news coming up tomorrow by 4:30 p.m. Dubai time, 8:30 p.m. EST, and I think that should be 1:30 or 2:30 p.m. Nigeria or West African time. So yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, I just like I said, I think we still have some potential, downside to cover to complete this move. We still have some potential on the rise because this was This was the last low. As you all can see, my liquidity indicator is showing this level. So this was the last zone where price after price broke structure retest here. This was the last low which initiated this buy, this massive all-time highs. So I feel like when I see that price is gonna come back down to this zone. So you just mark my words and let's see what happens. Okay, I don't see this support as a strong support that is going to hold. All right, price is likely gonna invalidate this zone. Okay, and maybe likely come back down to this zone. But what I'm saying is that what is gonna happen is like price is gonna come down, price is gonna come back down to this zone, then maybe from this zone start to buy up again. Yeah, big trend. Like maybe price is gonna come back down to this zone, give us a little, then continue. So but on NFP, just like you all know, the NFP news can come out, and what you're gonna see is a massive pump to the upside. Maybe likely we can see price breaking here today. Who knows? The price can likely break here today. Maybe when the news comes out, price can just give us a push up, maybe tap into the zone again, all right? Then start dropping. Tomorrow is Friday, right? So maybe tomorrow we can just witness that whole sell, all right? Because let me tell you what happens. Don't be scared of the news. The news only makes the price to move faster towards its original direction. Nothing much, nothing less. The only thing that happens once the news comes out is that manipulation. Okay, manipulation, not so that or smart money, so that they're gonna take you out. The news is just going to sweep your money, sweep liquidity, and then continue in its direction. Likely we might see price swipe up, maybe coming back down to this, come back to this zone again, then start to sell. Who knows? Okay, because I see this zone is also valid supply zone and start to drop, or likely price is gonna okay reject off of this zone again, then continue to sell. So either of these things are expected to happen on gold, but by tomorrow NFP, all right, by tomorrow NFP, we still have more time. Maybe we can see price breaking this structure, okay, to fully compound because price is going to come down to take out this liquidity here. Okay, you can see price coming back down to break below this level. Right, let me go to 15 minutes time frame so we can see. All right, so we can see price maybe come back to this zone, then drop, okay, or maybe price going back up to this zone, all right, causing a bull trap. Then once the buyers get in, price will start to drop again. So you don't want to fall victim. Stick to your original trend. The trend is bearish for now, right? And you're still gonna be sticking to the sell opportunity and sell ideas. Okay, yeah, so that you not be caught up for now. Okay, so what I am looking for tomorrow NFP is still the sell. Is still 100% sell. You can get NFP buys immediately the news comes out. We are not gambling. I'm not gambling. Those who understand how the trading works, okay, they know they trade like 30 minutes after the news outcome, or even 1 hour. We just say 30 minutes, you've seen what price has done, then you can enter and then the market will give you a volume. a good follow for you to make a good money. All right. So yeah, with that being said, that is just how it's gonna be done. Okay? That is just how we are expecting price, what price we are expecting to do. Except price, except. So now you see we have long way to go. Except price breaks this. If price can go up, except price breaks above this level, then we are still gonna be looking for a sell. Maybe from this point down here, maybe from this point down, okay, or maybe price can also swipe up, swipe down, and immediately start to drop. But the goal tomorrow is still selling. Okay, we're still gonna be selling SAU USD, which is good. Just like you can see here, we have this head and shoulder pattern, right shoulder, head, and left shoulder. Okay, now we have gotten a break. It remains to have that retest and we get that drop. Very simple as that. So just like I said, this was the last low that initiated this massive from the all-time high. Because once I remember during that time price dropped. Okay. After that price dropped, so price finally pushed. So this move did not stop from the beginning of the month. It did not stop. It continued to buy or continue to buy, continue to buy non-stop, 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 non-stop. So this zone is a valid zone, okay? And we're expecting price to come back to this zone now because we are in a very sharp order flow in the market, very sharp order flow now. So we want to see price, okay, shift structure. Likely we can get a break of structure here in London session, New York session, or in time, London session, okay? Then we can see before that news something can happen. Just only thing you need to do is to position yourself to buy to sell. That's all I can say on gold. So I'm just explaining this for gold only. So I believe this is gonna help you out, okay, on making your decision for those who are trading NFP by tomorrow, right? So that being said, um, it's your boy Forest. I do well to follow, like, share, comment, you know, when you get this video. So you wanna wait, okay, and see what price action does. Like price is just going up now. Price is going up now. Just like I said, anything that doesn't break above this level is still bearish. Anything that doesn't break above this, even above this high, if it is going up, okay, let it go up. But if it doesn't break above this, what for you guys today, I just want to come and analyze because I have more focus now on gold, right? So I'm more focused now on gold. So it's your boy Victoria. So trade strategy, patient, discipline, profit. So when you have the strategy, you have the. As you all can see, I'm not making my chart so complicated. All right, I'm not making it so complicated. I just marked out some zones. Okay, I just marked out zones. Ability taps into the zone. Then from there we can see the drop. So what will happen by tomorrow NFP is likely the price can deceive the buyers by immediately swiping up. Then after a little minute, then it will start dropping. So be aware and don't be deceived. Okay. See you at the top. Keep grinding, keep working, keep following your plans. Okay? It's just all about you being disciplined. We wish you guys all the best. One love. Uh, thank you.